charge of violation of Article of War 94, murder in relation to Article 248 of the Revised Penal Code of Commonwealth Act 408 as amended. This court, therefore, imposes the punishment of separation from the service upon concurrence of the President of the Philippines, and to forfeit all pay and allowances due and to become due, and thereby sentences Captain Salvador L. Escobar, 0-7675, Philippine Constabulary, to suffer the penalty of reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment, and to indemnify the heirs of the victim in the amount of 300,000 pesos. So ordered.